Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Shaik Babji. In this session, we are going to learn 10 different ways to congratulate someone in English. Let's see how we can express. The first one is congratulations. Is congratulations. The next one, well done. Well done. The third one, great job. Great job. And the fourth one, you did it. You did it. And the fifth one, fantastic work. Fantastic work. Fantastic work. The next one, sixth one, I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. And the seventh one, you deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. And the next one, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. And the next one, hats off to you. Hats off to you. And one, cheers to your success. Cheers to your success. And one is cheers to your success. And the next one, impressive achievement. Impressive achievement. Impressive achievement. And the last one, proud of you. Proud of you. These are the ways, and many ways will be there. Among them, here I have taken some of them. These are 12 ways here I am mentioning. Those are congratulations, well done, great job, you did it, fantastic work, I am so happy for you, you deserve it, that's amazing, hats off to you, cheers to your success, impressive achievement, proud of you. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And please like this video, share this video with your friends and hit the bell icon. Thank you.